Hi everyone, it's James here and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make crock-pot slow cooker chili. Step this way. In front of me I have the ingredients and the tools that I will need to make chili. I have minced meat or ground meat, garlic and onion, green peppers, kidney beans, and actually this says 4 bean mix. You can use any kind of beans. Diced tomatoes, pepper, salt, this is sea salt, parsley, oregano, paprika, you can use cayenne pepper if you want. This is cumin, basil, Worcestershire sauce, and oil. And you're going to need measuring spoons, and a container for the meat, and this strainer, a good skillet or frying pan, and of course the crock pot or slow cooker, a cutting board, and a good knife. So I recommend making this for your family, for your wife, or for your date. It's nice and hearty. We love it. I'll be cooking for a family of 5. So you can decide on the spiciness. You don't have to make this chili spicy. You can add Tabasco sauce or some other hot sauce in the chili after everything's done. So let's get started. I have 1 teaspoon of basil here. This is 1 teaspoon of basil. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of cumin. 3 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. I cut up 3 green peppers, and I chopped up 1 whole onion. So let's get started. So make sure your hands are clean. Mine are. I'm just going to put some meat. Perhaps half of it. You can set the heat to medium to high. I have it on medium high. So you want to brown this meat, and then you're going to remove the meat and drain the oil. That's very important because the oil contains a lot of fat. See, it's beginning to turn brown. So by browning the meat, it's going to make everything taste delicious. It's looking good. You can put salt and pepper in with the meat now, or you can do it later. I'll do it later. Get this, and I'm going to transfer the meat into the strainer. Transferring the meat into the strainer to drain as much oil, fatty oil, as possible. We don't want fat. Good. The close-up shot. Definitely get one of these strainers. See all that? That's fatty oil. You don't want that. Drain as much as you can. Okay, I've set the meat aside. Let it drain. After that, we'll transfer the meat into the crock pot, which is over there. I'll bring it up after. In go the onions. Medium to high heat. Fry these up first. I want these onions soft. I'm going to cook the onions and green peppers just to make them soft. In go the green peppers, and I'm going to fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium to high, maybe medium. I'm adding the garlic. Oh, awesome. Since garlic cooks really quickly, I'm going to reduce the heat down to low medium. Okay, now it's time to transfer everything into the crock pot. So, and in goes the mincemeat slowly, and then I'm going to put some vegetables in it. Looking nice. Oh my God, it's so aromatic here. I'm going to put more of the meat. Okay. Next I'll put the spices in, and then the kidney beans and the diced tomatoes. I'm going to stir everything up. Ooh, lots of meat. Oh my God, just smells wonderful just like this. Oh my God. Okay, so I'm going to add my salt and pepper and oregano and my cumin and paprika. Mix everything around. Okay, now we're ready for some mixed beans. Don't drain it. I'm going to put about 2 cans. You can put 1 can if you want. These are red kidney beans. Don't drain it. Ooh. God, it looks beautiful. You could cut up some fresh tomatoes for this if you wanted. Okay, I have some diced tomatoes here. I'm putting 1 can in. Actually, I'm going to use 2 cans. You can put puree if you have it. I don't have any puree. And this is whole tomatoes. So I'm using 2 cans of tomatoes. And this is like puree. It's quite thick. Scoop it out. Mix everything up, and it smells awesome. If anytime you're sampling this and if it's not salty enough, you can add some salt. I'm going to add a couple drops of Worcestershire sauce now to give it a kick. Oh, that's maybe 3 or 4 drops. You can put more if you want. Oh, it smells even better. Thanks to that sauce. Okay, and now it's ready to be cooked in the crock pot. Well, it's already in the crock pot. Now it's time to plug it in. Okay, I've plugged in the crock pot. Okay, I've set it for 3.5 hours on high, and it's ready to start. And that's it. So, I don't know if you can see this, but the blinking lights means see you in 3.5 hours. Okay, it's been about 3.5 hours, just 1 minute to go. So I'm going to do a taste test. Oh, do you hear that? The crock pot is telling me it's done. Okay, here comes the taste test. Whew, it's sizzling. Check it out. Does that look gorgeous or what? Whew, and it smells awesome. Let's just mix it up. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to sample it, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to garnish it with. I'm positive it's going to taste delicious. But if it's not salty enough, I can add some more salt. Let's just take a little bit. It's burning hot. Oh, it smells awesome. Oh my God, it's heavenly. Excellent. Okay, I'm going to show you what I'm going to garnish it with, so stay tuned. Okay, here's my chili. I've got some plain crackers and Tabasco sauce and some sour cream. And of course, I have grated cheddar cheese. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a spoon and I'm going to take as much as I want. I'm going to take some sour cream, plop it in there like that. I'm going to put some cheddar cheese in it. Now it's dinner time, so I bet my kids are hungry. And here is Tabasco sauce. I like a lot of Tabasco sauce in it. I like it nice and spicy. And some plain crackers. Just crunch them up like this. Just some brute force. Stir everything together. Woo! My God, this bowl is burning hot. I know I'm going to burn my mouth, but I just can't wait. Oh, can you just see the cheese starting to melt? Oh my God. It is smelling heavenly. Oh my God, it's truly delicious. You've got to try my recipe. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.